Hi, in this video we will see how to use DATEPARSE function in Tableau. So DATEPARSE function help us to convert any string field into a datetime field. So for creating this field we have to create one a calculation field. So here I'll name the title as a DATEPARSE. And then I'll type here date and then I'll select the DATEPARSE function. So also we can see here it is also showing the format of this function. So we have to use two different types of input. One is format. So in what format we will show our date field and the string that we want to convert into the date time or date field. So what we can see here on the right side, here is written the definition of this function. So it says the date time converts a string to a date in the specified format. So here we can see the example. So the example of this date parse function, it is the so here we can see the function and the format that it is being used. It is dd 4 times m, which is month and year. So in place of string we have to put the date. So we can see into a data set. So if we go through our data we can see the two different types of date field. One is the order date and second is the ship date. But let's say create one field and then type date pass. So if I select the format in dd dot m and 4 times y, which is year. Instead of string, if I select the value, let's say order date, select this value. So we can see here below it is showing the error. The calculation contains an error. It is only because of the order date our order date field. It is not in the string format. So if we go through here, so if I right click on the order date here on this icon, right click here, you can see it is automatically in the date format. So in case if you want to for example we need the string value. So in case I just put the random date, for the example I just use the 20th June 2020. So now we see it is showing the calculation is valid. So if I click on apply and then OK, so we can see here on our data pane, our date parse function has been created. So if I take this measure and drop this onto the text, we can see here the data have we have selected, which is 2020, has been showing. So I'll just click on this drop down and select the exact date. So now we can see this is showing the 20th June 2020 and we haven't select any kind of time, so it is by default showing 00 values. So for the comparison, if you want to look at the value that we have just put into our dateparse function and we can compare the value. So we use 20th June 2020 and here we can see it is showing the same value. So this is how we can use the dateParse function in Tableau to convert the string field into the datetime field. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.